In this video, I'll be showing y'all how you can make your iPhone speakers way louder. I'm talking about this speaker here and this speaker here. So, in order to increase the max volume of your iPhone speakers, what you want to do is head to settings. Now, this is so cool because in order to increase the volume of your iPhone, this is a trick that works with just these speakers, but also if you have it plugged in to your car or anything like that. So, to increase the maximum volume on your iPhone, tap on music, and then from here, go ahead and tap on EQ. Now, most people would think that just by having it off, it would increase the output, or people would think that if you tap on, any of these. But the reality is, if you scroll down and you tap on late night, for whatever reason, the speakers get very loud on your iPhone. There's also one more thing you want to turn off. You want to make sure sound check is turned off, and you can see that your iPhone speakers get so much louder. So yeah, very loud. Very loud, very loud, very loud. So that is how you do that on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Peace.